Now this is where it changes. So if you can see across the road, it should say High Road and Chigwell Road. So let's get out of Chigwell Road and onto the High Road. So this is Chigwell Road, this is the High Road, this is the middle part. I'm in both roads, so my left leg is in Chigwell Road, the other one's in the High Road. And now we're in the High Road. How cool is that, how they cut into each other? I like when roads do that. The station should be... I'm trying to work it out, how the station could be. It might, but I don't know, wait. I think it might be to my right, it won't be to my left. I have a feeling it might be to my right, because the train cuts round. You know, so on a hill, I'll show you, I've got to go in that direction. This is sort of, when I said I had to go that direction, so it's sort of on the side bit, cutting into it now, to going up to the station. So I should come through it on a funny way. I've curved in, so basically I've sort of done that kind of route. Not sort of that, I've sort of curved. So I see how I'm coming, I sort of backtracked slightly. That's how I've done it differently. Garden Centre, didn't know it's freaking here. It says me going away up London now. Oh my gosh, it's massive. It goes, it's literally big. There's all the indoor ones, this is all the outdoor ones, and it goes right the way back. I'm going to show you how far it goes. It's quite a walk. Look. It's literally a walk. It's like a massive garden centre. Look. Look at it. They go right far back. All the trees. So you can buy everything here when you think about it. I've got none in stock here at the moment, some of them. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking massive. I can see all the garden stuff here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you've got everything here. Oh. Now I'd have to go some farther for some pots. Get some big pots and small pots. That's pretty handy. Listen to what the prices are. Plants here. So remember what they are. The prices. But this is the garden centre. Got to come here and check it out a bit more. Get some plants. We need some plants for a start. We need some pots actually, more than plants. Oh my gosh. Huge. Inside one of the places, but we've got Christmas stuff next door. Go and check the Christmas stuff as well. Some of this is fake flowers. So the real flowers are over there. Pretty awesome. So sick. This is pretty impressive actually.